Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ahad Beauty World. Today in this video I will share with you most expensive home remedies. 3 days remove stomach fat super fast 100% work. So friend, first we know why increasing belly fat. One of the most common cause of belly fat is simply overeating and moving too little. Over time we often tend to become more sedentary. We spend less time walking, taking the stairs and exercising. When we eat more calories than we use each day, an energy imbalance causes weight gain. But there are other causes of belly fat too. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down and total body fat gradually increase. Women tend to get a higher fat percentage than men as they get older. Defeat distribution changes in menopause, which cause more fat to be directed to your abdomen as well. Heredity can also be a factor. You might be genetically predisposed to gain weight in your medley more than other part of your body. Hormones and hormonal change as well as stress can also affect belly fat accumulation. So friend, I want to make these remedies right now. First, I need lemon. How to work lemon for belly fat remove. Drinking warm lemon water on empty could be an effective way to lose weight naturally, as it improves digestion and boosts metabolic rate. Research suggests that polyphenol antioxidant found in lemon can reduce weight gain significantly in mice that are overfed to induce obesity, indicating that lemon water could help with weight loss. Lemon cut off small pieces and put the warm water. So second, I need coffee for remove belly fat. How to work for coffee in belly fat. While this piece of news may not be for men, but women are surely going to be delighted about it. Drinking 2-3 cups of coffee day can help reduce total body and belly fat in women, and this has been proved in study. A recent study found that some compound present in coffee have anti-obesity properties, can help lose weight significantly. And take 4-5 teaspoons of coffee. And third, I need cardamom. It processes melatonin that up the burning process of the fat in the body. One of the best benefits of cardamom is that it helps expel extra water out of the body that being retaining in the form of urine. Cardamom water helps get rid of the fat accumulation by cutting the balls in the abdominal region. And I need 1 spoon of cardamom powder. Mix this well. We have to mix this well. Cover the mixtures for 10 minutes. Separate the impurities from the mixture. How to drink this mixture? Drink 1 cup the morning and 1 cup the evening every day for a month, and you will get the result. Thank you for watching in this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe now.